Side imaging sensitivity controls the amount of detail that you'll see in the side imaging view. Side imaging sensitivity is independent of your 2D sonar and down imaging sensitivity, and is the fastest way to improve your side imaging view. From the Side Imaging Express menu, select SI sensitivity using the up and down arrow keys, and adjust sensitivity on a scale of 1 to 20 using the left and right arrow keys. To make side imaging sensitivity adjustments even faster and more convenient, you can use the plus and minus keys to increase or decrease side imaging sensitivity whenever the side imaging view is active. In general terms, you should increase side imaging sensitivity to see more detail in your side imaging view, and decrease side imaging sensitivity to eliminate the clutter that is sometimes present in turbid or muddy waters.